Do you want to learn how to draw background designs like a pro? Or how to draw strong environments like a concept artist for the entertainment industry? Do you want to push your skills to the next level? Let me introduce you to my tutorial that is probably perfect for you. How do I create a background for the animation industry? How do I create a background for the animation industry is a question I ask myself repeatedly. I was tired of being the kind of person who spent their time on Pinterest and ArtStation looking at other artists' artwork, not knowing how they got their results, nor understanding how to make a strong perspectives. I wanted to create a background that stood out from the whole range of images that we see every day on the internet. I was tired of being discouraged and thinking that living off my passion was impossible. I'm convinced that I'm not the only one, and that maybe you feel the same way too. After spending hours and hours working hard to understand the secrets of artists I admired, I created a simple technique which transposes ideas into strong images in a very effective way. It's a method I use in my work as a concept artist for feature films and TV shows every day. In this overview tutorial, which is available in English and French, I will teach you step by step everything you need to know to create a background from start to finish. We'll start by examining together how to set up a perspective grid. Next, you will learn the fundamentals of form and design and how to use these tools to create your own artwork. We will also observe the composition of an image and the emotions associated with it. Once the technique is learned, we will delve further than a classic tutorial. I'll show you how to breathe life into a background and relate a story without the help of the characters. And I'm even going to give you some tips on how to work in a structured way in order to be faster. In addition to the 30-minute video tutorial, you will have a PDF that includes all the major points and examples of concept artists recognized around the world. Of course, there are also brushes for Procreate and Photoshop, the PSD with all the layers, and finally, a mood board. I will take the time to explain where to find good references and how to use them to create your own artwork. So, if you're ready to learn how to create original and professional images, to develop your artistic universe, and to live from your passion, click the link to this tutorial, which is available on my Gumroad page, Owen Lab. It's the first link in the description. See you soon!